Hello everyone and welcome to our article review. We are Team 36 and have recently transitioned from the Save Forward loan application to a fantasy football analysis project sponsored by Professor Souther. I will be your guide through our front end today. Afterwards, I will pass you off to John, who will take you through the back end of our project. Without further ado, let us get our main branch up and running. With a simple command, we will see that homepage pop up, and with it, here is our general layout of our project. A graph will exist on the analysis page, as well as all of the players on the players page at a future time. Our beautiful header is right there at the top to catch your eye. The navigation is up and running, as you can see in the URL endpoints. The search will be functional at a later date, as well as the position selectors. The top players are limited and sorted by their fantasy football points, and finally there exists our footer. Here you can see all of our JavaScript files built on a component basis for easy and clean coding. All right, let's transition over to a working branch. Here exists all the players sorted alphabetically that will be added to our main branch shortly, each with the corresponding pop-up that will include a graph and comparison feature in the future. Thank you all for watching this portion of our review. Here is John with the Python and Postgres.
Hello, as part of our project deliverables this sprint, we have a basic Python web server set up with a Postgres backing app. So you can see here that if we connect to Postgres, we have a database set up with currently a player database that holds the name and position for the player, which is used by the Postgres web server to return some basic information through the one endpoint that we have currently set up, which is the player's endpoint. So if we use the flask run command, that sets and starts running our local server, local Flask web server on port 5000, which then using Postman or Insomnia, some sort of HTTP request generating technology, we can see that at the player's endpoint, we get an array of all players currently in the database, which currently is just the 2, and we could see that here. We go back into the database. There you go.